I cannot tell you guys, these coilovers make an incredible difference on the F30 M Sport suspension. Like, this car feels like it is a complete... Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Zay's Garage here for another one. Today is finally the day where I switch out my suspension for some new Bilstein B14 coilovers. I have been waiting for this day for so long. We had done the wheels and the tires. As you guys know, a few videos back, I put some hand-cooked Ventus V12 Evo 2 summer tires on the car, and then I also went and did some, I forgot what the name of the rims are again, but I guess they're like Forge spec or something, painted black wheels. They're 19-inch. And the last thing that we needed to finish this look that I'm trying to go for off is just lowering the car. These X-Drive 340i's have some of the worst wheel gap I think I've ever seen on a car that's supposed to be considered a sports sedan. So without further ado, guys, we're gonna head on down to Eurosport Performance in Wakefield, Massachusetts, and we are gonna get these new coilovers put on. So let's go ahead and take the trip. So much going on here. Porsche 911 Turbo right in front of us, a bunch of Audis. Where the heck do I even park? Okay, so we're finally here. I'm about to leave the car here. I thought that it would all be a same day thing, but unfortunately I don't think that's the case. I think I'm gonna have to head out. But I mean, I've talked to the guy here. A lot of people here in Massachusetts and Boston but particularly have recommended these guys, so I'm really excited to see what the work they're gonna do. We're probably gonna do, you know, just above the tire, probably like maybe like a finger between the tire and the actual like you know, arches of the wheel well. Super excited. I think it's gonna be pretty good. It's gonna be pretty good. So guys, without further ado, I don't know why I keep saying that. I already said it this morning. Yeah, it's happening. So we got the goods right here. I've already opened the box and stuff like that. But yeah, these are the Bilstein B14s that are going on the car. Good stuff, good stuff. Good morning, guys. So fast forward several days from when I dropped the 340 off at the shop. I finally have it back. The car was supposed to be basically done in the same day, but I messed up and I ordered the wrong part. I ordered the rear-wheel drive coilover kit for my X-Drive 340. Friday, they called me, they were working on it, and they told me, they're like, yeah, these struts are too long. And I'm like, what? What do you mean? Yeah, I think we looked at the part numbers, I think you ordered a rear-wheel drive coilover kit, and I was like, are you freaking kidding me? So I had to call ECS Tuning, and I had to completely have a new kit sent to Eurosport Performance so that they could do the install. I have the old kit sitting here at home, and yeah, but the car is behind me, guys. It looks absolutely amazing. We're gonna do some cinematic before and after comparisons for you guys, and you guys are just gonna see the difference. And then after that, I'm just gonna take it on a quick drive, and I'm just gonna tell you guys the difference that is made. All right, so let's get to it. I just want to give you guys my overall impressions after having the coilovers installed. Once again, I got the Bilstein B14 coilovers installed, and I cannot tell you guys, these coilovers make an incredible difference on the F30 M Sport suspension. Like, this car feels like it is a completely new car. I don't even know what car this is anymore, because it doesn't drive like how it drove before. It was sloppy, you know, the suspension wasn't very dialed in. Every single, like, going over, hitting corners in this car at a higher speed was just scary, because it just didn't invoke confidence in you at all. But now I'm here to tell you guys that with the Bilstein B14 coilovers, this car feels like how it should have came from the factory. Honestly, I mean, I've never driven an M3 or M4, but this is what I think it's supposed to feel like. You know, everything is, its corners flat. It feels like it's glued to the road. It doesn't feel like a luxury cruiser anymore, but it feels like it's truly meant to do some corner carve with. And now, with the amount of horsepower this car has and with the way it handles now, this car feels like it's truly a sports sedan now with the coilover. Are there downsides? Yes. I do feel more of what's happening on the road, you know, as I drive. But as a guy who's more interested in a performance-oriented, you know, setup, I don't really mind it that much. It's not that bad. I avoid potholes, bumps, the likes, you know. For $1,000, I think this is one of the best mods I think you can do. And as you can see in the little cinematic I put together, the car looks way better. I'm telling you, it drives even better than it looks, guys. So if you guys want a really good mod and you just want to transform your F30, oh my gosh, get some coilovers. Maybe get the B16 so that you have dampening, but the B14s are fine if you want that absolute bang for your buck, high quality Bilstein product, and you know, you want to save some money, you know, for the same price as some BC coilovers that are questionable in quality on the forums. Get yourself some Bilsteins, guys. Don't cheap out. Don't get lowering springs. Suspension is a very serious component. Don't cheap out on it. Get you guys something that you're gonna be proud of. With that being said, guys, I know this video was all over the place, but thank you so much for watching. More mods coming, VRSF or Evolution Raceworks downpipe coming soon. And guys, it's gonna be lit. We'll see you in the next one.